أهلا بكم أبناء الأعزاء طلاب الصف الرابع الابتدائي برايمري 4 للمدارس الرسمية للغات. هنبدأ النهاردة مع بعض شرح الدرس السابع والثامن والتاسع. الثلاث دروس دول بيتكلموا عن comparing numbers, descending and ascending numbers. To compare between two numbers عشان نقارن بين عددين. At first you will count number of digits of each. بنعد الأرقام بتاعت كل عدد. Count number of number. At first we have example. We have two numbers. The first number, count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second number, count 1, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits and here 6 digits. So the 6-digit number is greater. The 6-digit number is greater. So you will put the sign greater than. You will put the sign greater than. And here the first number, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The two numbers has the same number of digits. العددين من الأرقام. نعمل إيه؟ compare from left. Start from left. Here you have 9 and here 9. The same. Then here 0 and here 0. The same. Then here 0 and here 0. After that here we have 7 and here we have 6. 7 is greater, so you will put the sign greater than. 7 is greater, so you will put the sign greater than. Because the value of 7 is more than value of 6. That's okay? Ring the most number of ants comparing to here. The first one 4,356. The second 4,502. Count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second number 1, 2, 3, 4 also. Start for comparing from left. Start for comparing from left. Here 4 and here 4. Here 3 and here 5. Which number is greater? 3 or 5? 5. So we will put the sign smaller than, smaller than, smaller than, or less than or smaller than. The next one, the two numbers written in words. العدد مكتوبين بالحروف. 15,108. Write the number in words, in digits. 15,108. This is the first one. The next one 14,108. The two numbers contain 5 digits. العددين فيهم 5 digits. Then start to compare from left. Start to compare from left. Here 1, here 1, and here 1. Then here 5, here 5, and here 4. Which one is greater, 5 or 4? 5 is greater, so we will put the sign greater than, greater than. Now compare using the signs greater than, equal, or smaller than. to compare between the two numbers. At first count number of digits. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you will put the sign greater than. To read the first number, separate each three digits. 6,700,190. Second number, 600,910,700. The next one, count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The two numbers has the same number of digits. Compare from left. Here 9 and here 9, 8 and here 8, 9 and here 7. 9 is greater, so you will put the sign greater than. The next one, count the number of digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The two numbers contain 10 digits. Start to compare from left. Here 4 and here 4, here 4 and here 9. 9 is greater. You will put the sign less than or smaller than. The next one, here we have number formed from 10 digits, and here write 3,000 million. So you will put 6 zeros, replace the word million and put 6 zeros. Now we have a number formed from 10 digits also, and here we have 3 and here 3, so the two numbers are equals. Yes. The next one, $1,800,000. At first write the number in digits. Standard form. 1 million. There is no digits in the milliard place, milliard period. Then 800,000. Then both 3 zeros, units period. Here 1 million, 1 million. Here 1 is missing. 1 million, 800 million, 800 millions. There is no days in thousand period. There is no days in units period. Then start to compare. The two numbers contain 10 digits. Start from left. Here 1 and here 1. Here 0 and here 8. 8 is greater, so you will put the sign smaller than. Here are the following. Write a number has 100,000 less than. Write a number has 100,000 less than this number. 8,612,793. So you will subtract 1 from 100, please. 100,000, please. The 100,000, please, is 6. So you will subtract 1 from this place. It will be 5. So the number will be 8,512,793. هنا نركز كويس إن هو بيقول لي write a number 100,000 less than. دي معناها إنه عايز أنقص من البليس بتاع 100,000 1. That's okay. The next one, write a number less million has million more than. has million more than. Has million more than, you will add 1 to the millions, please. Where the million, please? The million, please, is 8. 8. So add 1 to the millions, please. It will be 9 million, and keep the other. It will be 9,933,001. Right number has milliard more than this number. Where is the place of milliard? The place of milliard is the last 5 here. So you will add 1 to this 5, because here told you more than. So it will be 6,555,555,555. Now answer the following. Write a number has 100,000 less than 893,824. Where is the 100, please? 100,000, please. 8. So you will less than, you will subtract 1 from 8. It will be 7, then 9, 3, 8, 2, 4. Next one. Write a number has 10 million more. Where is the place of 10 million? 5. 10 million more, you will add 1. It will be 4, then another 4, after that 6, 0, then 600 and 125. So the number will be 4,460,000, 460,600,000, and then 125. Again 4,460,600,000, 125. The last one. Write a number has milliard more than. Milliard. Where is the place of milliard? 3. So you will add 1 to 3. It will be 4, and both the other. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 3 zeros. That's okay. Yes. Here we have numbers in expanded form, and want you to write the number at first, then compare the numbers both here in expanded form. Write the first number 0 in units place, then 1 in tens place, then after that 1 in 100, then 3 in 1,000, then 4 in 10,000, please. This is the first number. Here 0 in units place, 2 in tens, 1 in 100, 3 in 1,000, please, and 4 in 10,000, please. Then start to compare. At first, here we have 5-digit number, and here 5-digit number. 4 from left, here 4, here 3, and here 3, here 1, and here 1, here another 1, and here 2. So 2 is greater. You will put the sign smaller than. Yes, Here we have number in words. Write it in digits. Standard 4. 5 million. Write 5 at first in milliard place. Then 220 million. 220. 506,000. 506. And 40. 40, 2 digits. 40. So you need to put 0 at left. So you will put 0, then 40. Here 5 million. Then 220 million. 540,000. And 6. 6 is 1 digit, so you need to put 2 zeros at left. Then compare between the two numbers using counting at first number of digits. Here we have 3, 6, 9, 10, and here 3, 6, 9, 10. Start for comparing from left. Here 5, and here 5. Here 2, and here 2. Here 2, and here another 2. Here 0, and here 0 also. And here 5, and here 5. After 5, here we have 0, and here we have 4. So 4 is greater, so we will put the sign smaller than. Here, one of the two numbers in words and the other in expanded form. This number in words, this number in words, and this one expanded form. Start to write the numbers at first. The number in words 1 million, then 976, 976,000, 888, 888. Here start from units. 8 in units please, 8 in tens please, 8 in hundreds please, then 6 in thousand please, 7 in 10,000 please, 9 in 100,000 please, then 1 in million please. Count the number of digits. Here we have 6 digits, 7 digits, and here 7 digits. Then start to compare. Here 1, and here 1. Here 9, and here 9. Here 7, and here 7. Here 6, and here 6. Here 888, and here 888. So the two numbers the same, so we will put equal. Now ascending order. Ascending order. To arrange in ascending order, start from the smallest to the greatest. Start from the smallest to the greatest. عشان نقارن بين عددين مجموعة أعداد ascending order، يبقى هنبدأ بالصغير. Ascending order start from the smallest to the greatest. In the first one, at first count number of digits. We have 6 digits here, 6 digits here, 6 digits here. Then look to the number at left. Here we have 3, and here 5, and here 3. We have 2, 3. Look to the next one. Here 5, and here 4, 9. So write this number at first. Then write this number 394402, and at last write the third number. That's okay? Then move to the next one. Here choose the smallest number from the list and write it in the second square. هنا بيعلمني ازاي احل السؤال. طبعا احنا حلناه. هنا بيوريني ازاي انا اردت. نيجي في السؤال اللي هو عايزنا نحله. نبدأ مع بعض. نحل مع بعض السؤال الأول. بيقول لي arrange the following numbers in an ascending order. Start from the smallest to the greatest. At first, count number of days. Here 6, and here 6, and here 6, and here 6 also. Now start to arrange. Compare at first between from left 5, 5, 5. All of them has 5. Then 4, 4, 4, 4. All of them 4. Then 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. After that, here we have 2. And here we have 1. And here we have 9. Here we have 4. Which one is smaller? 1. So you raise this number at first. The next one, 2. So you raise this number. Then we have 4. At last, this number. Now, B, at first, count number of days. We have 6 days in each number. Start by from left. Here we have 6, and here also. Then 0, at 1, and here 2, and here 9, and here 8. Which one is smaller? 1. So you write this number. Then 2, write this number. Then 8. At last, that's okay. Here we have 3 numbers and want you to put them in order. The first number, write it in days. 3 million, 10 million, 34,000. 3 million, 10 million, then 34,000, and then put 3 zeros of periods unit. Units period. This is the first one. The second, 3 million, 100 million, then 30,000. At last, 3 million, 10 million, and 34. So there is no thousand period. So here write 34 in one's period. Start to compare now. Here we have 3, and here we have 3, and here 3. Here 0, then here 1, and here 0. اللي فيهم 0 دول هم الأصغر. نبدأ نبص على اللي بعد الزيرو. After 0 1. Here 1. Here 0. Here 0. Here 0. Here 0. Here 3, and here 0. So this number is the smaller. Write it at first. You will write here it in words. After that, write this one. At last, write this one. That's okay. نروح للي بعدها. بيقول لي ending order. To arrange in descending order, start from the greatest to the smallest. Start from the greatest to the smallest. هنبدأ بالكبير. وهنا بيعلمني ازاي نبدأ نعمل comparing. في السؤال هنا بيقول لي أول حاجة بنعملها count number of these. Here we have 7 digits for each number. No, we have here 7 digits, and here 7 digits, and here 6 digits. So the smaller is the number contains 6 digits. You write at the end. Start by the greatest. Here we have 8, and here we have 3. So this number is greater, right? It at first. Then the next one, this number. At last, write the smaller. Now, for you, arrange in descending order. Count the number of digits. Here we have 6, 6, 6. All of them contain 6. Then start from left. Here 6, 6, also 6. Here 5, here 0, here 5, and here 4. Compare between the two numbers contain 5. Here 4 and here 0. This one is greater. So write it at first and cancel it. Then this one and cancel it. After that, here we have 4 and here 0. This one is greater. At last, write this one. Yes, the next one, start to compare between by counting number of these. Here you have 7, and here 7, and here 6, and here 6 also, and here we have 7. Start by comparing the 7, this one, and this one, and this one. Start from left. Here 1, and here 1, and here 1. Then 2, and here 2, and here 2 also. Then here 3, and here 3, and here 5. So this one is greater. Then move to the other two. Here 4, and here 4. Here 6, and here 5. So this one is greater. Then write this one. Now compare between the two numbers contain 6 digits. Here 1 and here 1, here 2 and here 2, here 3 and here 4. Write this one. Cancel it. At last, write this one. That's okay. Here we have three numbers in words. Write it at first in digits. 5 million. 5 in million place. 27 million. Put 0 at left at first. Then 27. 500,000. 500,000. Put 3 zeros in units period. Second number 7 million. 7 million. Put 2 zeros at first. Then 7 million. 500. There is no thousand. 500. At last 5 million. 37 million. Put 0 at left. Then 37 million. 500. There is no thousand. To compare between them, at first count number of these. All numbers contain 10 digits. Then here we have 5, and here 7, and here 5. So the number contains 7 is greater. Write it in words. But here there is no space. I write it in digits عشان ما فيش مساحة عندي، فأنا هكتبه إيه بالأرقام، لكن أنت هتكتبه بإيه بالحروف. تمام. نروح للسؤال بعد كده. here 5 here 5 here 0 and here 0 here 3 and here 2. This one is greater. At last arrange the numbers in ascending order. Use the form in which the number are written. وهنا عايزني اكتبها بالشكل اللي هو كاتبه في الاعداد. فطبعا انا هعمل ايه؟ اول حاجه هكتب كل نمبر in digits، وبعد كده اعمل الكل. at first 4 million. ادي 4 million. بعدين 600,000، فما فيش مليون. 600,000 and 4. This number 410,164. اللي بعده 4 مليون 600,000، يبقى ما فيش مليون. 600,000 and 40. At last 6 in tens please. There is no units. About units 0. Then 6 in units please. Then 4 in 10,000. يبقى ما فيش ايه 100 و 1000، يبقى اكتب 4. بعد كده 4 دي ايه count number of zeros. دي مليار، يبقى مليار محتاج ايه قبل منها 9 digits. add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. بعد كده write 1. now all of these numbers in this side here contain 10 digits, and this one contains 6 digits, and this one contain 7 digits. The greatest one, the number contain 7 digits, 10 digits. Start here 4 and here 4, here 0 0 0 0, and here 4 and here 0. So this one is greater. You will write it in words. 5 4 million 6 100,000, and so on. Then you read this one 4 million 600, and so on. Then you will write this one 10 times 6 plus 110,000 times 4, and so on. Then this one is greater. 2400 046. At last write this one 4101 64. And here's the same. And now the end of our lesson today. Thank you, and we'll meet you again in the next lesson. Thank you.